If your congestion keeps coming back, it is not because nothing works. It is because you do not have a daily system. Small habits done each day are what will truly change your breathing for the better. This is a simple but powerful truth. I'm going to show you an easy system you can begin using right now. It is designed for those of us over 40. The steps are calm. They are simple. They are effective. This is not about a magical cure, but about a practical, daily rhythm that puts you back in charge of how you feel and breathe. Why does congestion seem to return again and again? Your body, in its wisdom, creates mucus to protect you. It lines your nose, your throat, your chest. This is entirely normal. But when it gets thick and lingers, it signals a pattern. I will show you a system that will fix the real problem. So stick around and watch this video to the end. This system changes your entire relationship with congestion. It turns it from something you are constantly reacting to into something you can calmly control. It is a system with a set of small, intentional actions. You perform them each morning and maintain them during the day, then complete them each night. Do them in the correct order, then repeat. Because consistency is the key to success. Do not chase quick fixes. Build the habit that keeps mucus away for good. Your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. The goal is to start warm and slow. The very first thing upon waking, drink a cup of warm water. Do not add sugar, avoid cold juice, avoid coffee straight away. Simple, pure, warm water. Drink it slowly and feel it warm your core. If you can, sit by a window. Let morning sunlight touch your skin. It will gently wake your body and calm your mind. After your warm water, take 3 gentle nasal breaths. Sit comfortably. Close your mouth. Breathe in through your nose for 4. Hold for 1. Out through your nose for 6. Repeat that 3 times. This moves air through nasal passages that may be tight from sleep. If still blocked, try steam next. Boil water, pour it into a large bowl. Lean over the bowl, drape a towel to trap steam. Then breathe slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not get too close. Warm, moist air softens and thins thick mucus. The next thing is to perform gentle movements. No intense workout needed. Walk 2 to 5 minutes, stretch chest and shoulders. Let the rib cage expand and move freely. It helps clear overnight buildup and boosts circulation. If needed, gently rinse your nose with saline using a clean squeeze bottle or a neti pot. Use only sterile, distilled or previously boiled water. About 10 minutes total can make a world of difference. Your midday habits should be short, steady and consistent. Keep drinking water throughout the day. Avoid very cold water, especially if you drink it fast. Aim for warm or room temperature. Set a small goal, 1 or 2 sips every 15 minutes. Use a quiet timer. Steady hydration keeps mucus thin and easy to move. Eat light at lunchtime. Take notice of foods that feel phlegmy, very spicy, greasy and some dairy. After your meal, take a 5 to 10 minute walk to help digestion and keep breathing relaxed. If you feel tightness, take 2 short sets, in through the nose for 4, out through the mouth for 6. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke because it irritates and dries airways. If you drink alcohol, keep it small because alcohol can thicken mucus and disrupt sleep. Your daytime choices set up your night. Think of midday as gentle maintenance. The evening reset is about calming your system and preventing mucus from building while you sleep. Stop eating heavy food at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Lying down full encourages reflux and irritation. Choose a lighter meal. Then, later, enjoy a warm herbal tea without sugar, chamomile or gentle ginger. Let this be a calming ritual. Dry air thickens mucus. A small humidifier can make a remarkable difference. A small extra pillow can assist sinus drainage. Before lights out, repeat 3 slow nasal breaths. Belly expands in, then long, slow out. This signals your nervous system to wind down, and it keeps nasal airflow gentle as you drift off. Avoid late heavy meals, hydrate warm, moisten room air, and calm your breath. This is the perfect conditions for rest. You actively prevent overnight congestion. Wake clearer, easier, and ready for a new day. Stacking the system. This is how small habits create big change. The secret is following the same intentional flow each day. Morning loosens, day maintains, night prevents buildup. As you repeat that in sequence, you create an effect that builds on one another. Warm water, nasal breathing, short walks, evening tea, causes a positive upward spiral to begin. Your body learns the new rhythm, and mucus stops piling up the old way. Daily repetition rewires the pattern and how you feel. The identity shift from frustrated to in control. You are no longer the person who is always congested or constantly clearing your throat. You now become the person who has a calm, effective routine. You move through your day with ease, confident at work and relaxed at the table. This change improves quality of life in countless moments. The anxiety fades. You can now plan with confidence, because you now have the knowledge and tools to manage how you feel. If you need more support, there is a simple guide to help you. I put together a step-by-step clear lung and sinus reset guide. It is a practical checklist to keep you on track, what to do and when to do it. Everything that I discussed laid out clearly. Morning, day, night, and the exact breathing patterns. Common triggers and mistakes to avoid. Not that icy drink, not that heavy late-night meal. Print it, place it where you live, in your kitchen and at your bedside for instant recall. If structured support helps you, get a copy. Remove the guesswork and do the right things in the right order. It is an easy-to-download free PDF. The link will be in the description. This is a tool to help you succeed. Your next step is to begin today. The most important thing is to simply begin. You do not have to be perfect. Tonight, plan for warm water in the morning and 1 minute of 3 slow nasal breaths. A calming tea at night, small seeds that grow into real change. Which part of your day is hardest to stay consistent with? Share it in the comments below. Your experience can help someone else breathe easier. Check the description for the PDF guide. Give this system 3 weeks. Be gentle, be steady. Notice the small wins. You can breathe easier, sleep better, and feel in control. Watch the next video in this series when it is ready. I try to upload a video every other day. In the next video, I'll talk about the foods that silently increase mucus after 40, so you can avoid what's keeping you congested. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it, then select all to ensure that you do not miss any of the videos in this series. Remember to check the description to find out how to get the PDF guide if you want structured support. Also, click the thumbs up button, which shows your appreciation for these types of videos and also as a motivator for me to keep making these types of videos. Go ahead. Make a comment, good or bad. I try to read them all.